Alright, so this is a fresh install of Windows 10, and I've already installed the AMD drivers for the system, both the chipset and the graphics drivers, but Windows tries to, or tells you to, hey, these are available, optional updates. Now yes, you can ignore them, but sometimes getting these drivers aren't a bad idea, and then other times they can be. In fact, I've had Windows 10 optional updates ruin Windows altogether, so you know, I would say that the optional ones are to do as at your own risk. That being said, I have tried, because it was a fresh install Windows, installing this, and then I updated the drivers for Windows. Windows graphics drivers for the newest version, straight from AMD, and of course this popped back up again. Okay, so here is how we're gonna fix that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go and download two different things. One is called the Windows Update Show Hide utility. Windows Update Show Hide utility. And the other one you can use is called the Windows Update Management tool. I'm using the Show Hide Update tool. So we're going to go next. It's going to search for updates. We're going to hide that. Now that is shown as hidden, we close it, and we can go back here, search for updates, and it doesn't show up anymore. So that's how to make updates go away that you don't want to see in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.